Alright, on the slipstream today, you got a couple of easy ATV project videos. Here we go. The first is a fix-it. So here's my old uh, large capacity funnel for fueling up my ATV. I found this out in the woods. Problem here is all the bottom's cracked. Now that when I use it, it leaks all over. Went and got some plumber's self-adhesive tape, marine grade silicone, and I got this old spigot from an old diesel fuel tank, and stuck the silicone in there, fitted the hose in there, wrapped the self-adhesive tape all over. Now I got a nice long stem funnel. Very heavy duty. This stuff's already setting. This is better than anything you could buy. Plus I got a nice flex hose. Next project to solve a problem was carrying loose bags of stuff on the back of the ATV. Nothing quite worked here, and instead of putting it in a box. I didn't really want to put it in a box. Here's my easy, quick cargo webbing. And what I've done is used old headbands from glasses, these elastic bands that you get with glasses that I didn't want. I don't use them because they pinch my head. I don't like them. Took 3 of those, cut off the plastic end clips, took baling wire, stuck it through the loopholes, fitted these little hooks custom to the way my ATV back rack bars are. Then I took rubber tubing and put it over the ends so there's no sharp edges. Now it's fit to go right here. Give you a quick demo. Here, here. And I could take any bag, put it under there. There we go. The wind's not going to blow it off. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for coming along with me.